Hi guys.
Hi guys.
In this video we're gonna be playing the new waffle and Mochi Meow update.
Yeah.
So first up we're in the mini game. I'm gonna try to get Justin. At the moment, user on Justin's POV.
No.
Got him. Okay, now I'm gonna try to get this owl.
I thought you were gonna get the peach owl.
Yeah, now I am. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get you.
Okay.
No.
Low. Now I'm gonna get this penguin.
It's a peach owl.
Yeah, peach owl. No.
Yeah, now you're off.
Now no one's on. Oh, no,
I'm on.
You're on.
Get out, owl. Now you're out, Justin. Yeah.
They get me out. Yes.
Yeah, now you're out.
No, I'm not. Now I am.
I'm out.
Yeah, me too.
We both got out.
I got, should we now go to the gummy gecko section?
Okay, first we're gonna go to the gummy gecko because Justin hasn't gotten one yet.
Yeah. Okay.
Have we found... Justin, you can go into the water.
But there's the click away. Okay. Let's do it, guys. Carve the cliff. Boom. 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 Bam.
He's going onto the purple layer.
Yeah. Okay. This is taking so long.
Honey candy.
Honey candy is useless.
You can eat it. Oh, you got a custom caramel dice.
Yeah. Cool. I can go and get another. Wait, what? An expression. Okay. I'm up to the wet layer.
I'm gonna go do the chocolate river while I wait.
Okay.
No, I got disconnected.
Join back. Okay. I'm almost finished. No.
I'm back in.
Okay, I need to buy some more stuff.
No, you don't need that much.
I'm gonna buy one. Boom.
Yeah, one was all you needed. There's the gummy gecko.
Guana. Gummy
Yeah,
Guana.
gummy guana.
Yeah. Hello. Why does he move like that?
Look at these stuff.
He's creepy. No, I need one more.
No, he's coming.
This is the cutscene.
And he's out. He's dancing.
Yep. What?
What the? Yay, Gummy Guana.
Gummy.
And I'll get out mine. Yay, Gummy Guana.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. It's time to go on to the next clip.
Okay, see you there. Okay, guys, it is time to get...
The Mochi Meow.
Okay, first I'm just gonna buy 2 more Mochi mallets so then I can do it.
I'm gonna see if I can buy a Mochi mallet.
You can buy 2.
I'm gonna buy 2.
Okay, let's do this.
How do I buy them?
Okay, first up, how do I do it?
Maybe you do this. How do you do it?
Wait,
Maybe you need to have it equipped.
yeah, I do have it equipped. What?
What's happening?
It doesn't work.
How do you buy a
Oh, it's working. 1, 2, 3. One
how
down.
do you buy a Mochi Meow?
Here.
No.
Okay, that's another.
You're a ghost. On my screen, you're a ghost.
Wait. On my screen, you're a ghost.
What?
Now we have to save this. Mochi Meow.
Is it called candy floss?
I don't know. The cat's called a Mochi Meow.
Yeah, I know that, but like.
Oh, I got one. No.
Yeah, but like, how can I?
You don't have enough.
Yeah, but like.
Here.
How do I get? Oh. There.
And now we've got the Mochi Meow.
Then I get 2. Now I'm Paul.
Okay.
Marshmallow. So we're gonna end the video when I finish hammering. But I don't have enough, but I'm still gonna hammer. But I only need 1, 2, 3 more hammers, and then I can get a Mochi. So, but now, bye guys!
Bye, guys.